Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, something new for the channel. Tonight, we're gonna make chicken noodle. So, I start with top ramen, can of chunk chicken breast, multicolored peppers, a little bit of celery, black pepper, cayenne pepper, sweet chili sauce, sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Start out by taking a medium small pot, filling it a couple inches of water, yeah, that's probably about right. Okay, burner on high. Just get that started. Next, I'm gonna do probably 5, maybe 6 whacks of celery. I don't like the leaves, so kick those off to the side. So what was that? 3, 4, 5. We'll do one more. Okay, about that much celery into the pot. Celery back in. Next, I take 5 or 6 of the peppers. Make sure you get at least a couple of each color. And then I totally cheat. I don't slice these up. I just cut them up with scissors. Now the fun thing will be, in a couple of minutes when I open up the can of chicken breast, whoop, I will be getting all kinds of help from the cats, because they love when I make chicken noodle. Last one. Okay. Now we do top ramen package. Now this is, you know, I featured this on a video the other day. Check that out. How neat is that? Being able to just pinch a thin seal bag and be able to open it up like that. So cool. Save the season packet for later. We'll need this in just a second. So this is the best part. As I crack the can, all the cats, they figure that that is chicken soup for them. So what I do, I squeeze that out. Now, I usually give them just a little bit because, well, they like chicken. But everybody really likes the chicken soup. So now I pop this in the microwave for about 40 seconds. This is going. Go ahead and dunk the top ramen. Recenter it on the burner. Okay. Out of the microwave, then directly into the pot. And we just give it a little bit of a stir. So you don't want to overcook the noodles. You know, you don't want them like super soggy, because this is actually kind of more of like a soup. I leave generally about 1 inch of water in the bottom of it. And if you overcook the noodles, then they absorb way too much water, and then it kind of gets gross and the noodles kind of break down. Probably just a couple more minutes left on this. but we're getting close. Okay, so we're about there. Turn it to off. Okay. Then take your plate. Okay, and put it over the top and use that to keep anything from falling out. Give it a little bit more. Check the water, about 1 inch. Okay. Now with the burner off, go ahead and add back your spices. Make sure you get the right side of the cayenne pepper. Otherwise that is a little spicy. I go about that much. There we go, black pepper. About that much. Sweet chili sauce. About that much. Sweet baby rays. Circle about like that. And stir it in. So that is how I make chicken noodles with celery and peppers. More importantly, you got to see how I use my prosthetic hand in a day-to-day fashion. You can see that this version is way more functional than any of my prior versions. And I have to say, aside from maybe just a little bit of change to the socket, I think this is really about where it's gonna be. I mean, maybe adding a couple little features here and there, but this is actually just a great device. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching.